What if becoming a millionaire had almost nothing to do with luck, a crazy salary, or hoarding pennies until your fingers cramp? The truly wealthy don't rely on grind myths or 4 a.m. heroics. They run systems, automatic, boring, insanely effective systems. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 7 of them, and showing you exactly how to install each one before they get gatekept. I wasn't born with a silver spoon. I started with debt and a knot in my stomach. Then I noticed something. People who stay wealthy don't just work hard, they work differently. They build machines that make money while they sleep. I decoded those machines. This video is the blueprint. Most people are financial sprinters chasing hot tips. Millionaires are marathoners. They harness compounding with simple, broad market, low-fee index funds. It's not fireworks, it's a snowball. Micro habit. This week, open a brokerage account and automate $50 per week into a broad market index fund. The amount is less important than flipping the autopilot switch. Plant the seed, water it consistently, and don't dig it up to check. Lifestyle inflation is a silent thief. Every dollar is an employee. Send it on a one-time errand or assign it to your wealth factory. That $1,000 flex today can become $10,000 working for you over time. Choose freedom over logos. Micro habit, the 48-hour pause rule. For any non-essential over $100, wait 2 days. Ask, do I want this now, or the freedom it could buy? Defense wins championships. A 6-month cash reserve is your moat. It prevents panic selling and doubles as a war chest when assets go on sale. Micro habit. Open a high-yield savings account named Opportunity Fund. Automate $25 per week until you reach 6 months of expenses. Cash isn't fear. Cash is options. One paycheck is a one-leg stool. Kick it, you fall. Millionaires build multiple streams. Salary, business profits, dividends, rentals. The goal isn't 80-hour chaos, it's passive flow and optionality. Micro habit. Start one stream this month. Buy a small dividend ETF. Flip one item in your house. Or launch a simple YouTube blog on what you know. Momentum beats perfection. I built a free one-page Millionaire systems checklist with all 7 habits and micro actions. Top link in the description. Print it, stick it on your wall, install 1 per week. Most people save leftovers. Millionaires reserve the first slice. Money moves to savings and investments before spending. Automation removes emotion and guarantees progress. Micro habit. Increase your automated contribution by 1% today. From 0 to 1, 5 to 6, whatever. You won't feel it now, your future self will. Your word is an asset that compounds. Integrity attracts better partners, better deals, better terms. Discipline is the engine that makes budgets stick and long-term plans survivable. Micro habit. Make one small promise to yourself this week and keep it. Wake 15 minutes earlier, read 10 pages, do one workout, train the muscle that powers every other system. Self-education prints money for your brain. Upgrade your mental map. Finance, psychology, skills. Replace passive consumption with deliberate learning. Micro habit. Tonight, swap 30 minutes of mindless scroll for a chapter of a money book, a deep dive video, or a podcast episode. Put it on your calendar as a recurring appointment. 7 systems: long-term vision, intentional scarcity, financial fortification, income diversification, pay yourself first, integrity, and infinite ROI. Wealth isn't an event, it's a machine you assemble with small automatic systems. Install one, then another. Boring done consistently beats exciting done once. Now that you've got the systems, the next question is where to put the money. Watch The 3-Fund Portfolio That Made Me a Millionaire. I'll show you the dead simple setup you can automate today. Click the video on screen. Let's build the machine.